Hello everybody, it's me and my dad, and your Micah. And today we have a Prizm college football 2024 blaster box.
Yep. Let me see. So in this one, there's an exclusive green pulsar parallel, exclusive to the blaster box.
Oh, ours was Terrell Davis.
So on our last one, but it says look for ultra rare inserts, black color blast, and on campus. Find one silver prism per box. I think we did one of these the other day, and our silver prism was Tim Tebow on the Gators. So they were really cool cards. I don't remember. Oh, we got a lad.
We got an auto.
We did get an auto, like a linebacker or something. So, which I don't think.
We got that Rome.
Yep. Not guaranteed any autos in here, so. Okay, 5 cards per pack.
6 packs.
6 packs. Here we go. Boom.
And Shelly Cobb.
First pack. There we go. Got these at Target. Went back to get some more. Clean out, man. Clean out.
Oops.
Look at this. This is our 2 boxes, 3 Tim Tebows.
We'll show you.
This is what they look like.
Oh, I see something.
They're a little off-centered, you can see. Man. Got a Travis Etienne.
Oh!
This one looks pretty cool. An instant impact. Troy Franklin from Oregon on the Broncos, drafted in the 5th round. He's having a decent year. Put that one to the side.
5th round pick.
Here's Jonah Ellis, rookie.
Ooh.
Ooh.
He's having a good year.
I like this. Yes, sir. Jalen Milroe on Alabama, and this one's a rated rookie.
He's having a great year.
So, man, it just seems like my phone's a little off. That was a good pack. Ooh, that was a good one. I like that one. I wonder why it's a rated. Oh, it's a rated prospect.
Oh.
Huh.
Okay.
Cool. That one's centered to the. Oh, but the top left corner might be a little.
Okay. DJ Moore. Matthew Stafford. Ooh. Got a Roma Dunze rookie purple parallel. That's pretty sick.
Down over here. Let me see them.
No. Got a Cole Bishop rookie and a Jerzayan Newton rookie card.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, we should have bought more boxes of these, dude.
yeah, these are cool cards.
I like these. Okay. 3rd pack. Micah Parsons. Micah. Drew Brees. Trevor Lawrence, a little purple. Pretty cool.
Pretty cute.
Keaton Oladapo, safety rookie. I'm just gonna put that right there.
You got another one.
And Julian Sayin. I'm just saying. I'm thinking is he a quarterback?
Just says Buckeyes.
Top signal caller. Yeah, so he's a quarterback for Ohio, so he's got to be.
I thought Will Howard was the quarterback.
Well, he might be. He's a rated prospect, and he's probably just started going to school then. I don't know, bro. I'm just saying. Julian's saying. Julian's saying.
Ricky Williams.
Ooh, love me some Ricky Williams.
Derrick Henry.
Ooh, Derrick Henry. King Henry.
Trey Benson.
Trey Benson, boy.
Is that her?
Is that silver?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I was trying to tell. Silver.
Trey Benson. Nice.
Jeremiah Trotter Jr. and Chris Jenkins.
Okay. Here we go. Here comes the heat right here. Feel it down in my bones, my busies.
Okay, that's...
Down in the busies. Here we go. All right. Oh, another Trevor Lawrence. Base card. Jim McMahon. Okay, here's our green. Did you already see it?
No.
You know, we're going to go from the back. Okay, a Marius Mims, rookie. There's my McMahon. Josh Proctor, rookie, Ohio State. And here we go. Let's see who we get here, guys. Boom.
Who is that?
Kalen King.
You made that so dramatic.
Oh, boy.
Just got burnt.
Well,
I don't even know who that is.
come on, breakout season, 3 interceptions. There's our green parallel. Is that what it said? Exclusive? Yeah. Okay, here we go. We're looking for some of that goody good right here. Ooh.
Oh. Okay. Brett Favre.
Brett Favre.
Ray Lewis.
Ray Lou.
Ooh.
This is our boy.
And Mitchell rookie. What's that say?
It says student orientation.
Orientation.
We love some Adonai Mitchell in this house. UT. We got good luck with him.
Michael Penix Jr. rookie card.
Oh man, yeah. That's our second one of those. Didn't we get one?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, there's a scratch.
Oh my god.
Mm.
We're not gonna agree. And then a Joe Alt rookie. Which he's having a good year.
That's it, guys.
So
Pretty good. No auto in this one, but
not bad cards.
not bad. I think got a couple of those purples. Got some good prospect rookies. Easy with those corners, dog. All right. Thanks, guys. Let us know what you think. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Bible.